wanted to show you what I made really quick. I made this nice quiche from the veggies that I got. Yum! It's my veg. It has all kinds of goodies in there. I'm going to upload the video. Like I said, I'm going to upload the video with the recipe. And it's so good. I can smell it. It's got the Mexican cheese in there, and it's got cremini mushrooms. It's got my beautiful onions that I got at the farmer's market that I sauteed. It has broccoli. It has these herbs. I mean, I put some flat leaf. I put some basil. It has the basil in there. So, okay. So I'm going to show you how to do my version of a wine slush. Okay, so the strawberries that I had, first you wash your strawberries, right? You want to wash them, you want to rinse them, you want to wash them, rinse them. And if you have, I use this for the tomato de-stimmer, or you can just use that and you just kind of scoop it out like this. Ta-da! There you have it, little scooper. And then you have a mixer, and this is going to get noisy, so I'm going to go ahead. Actually, I'm going to put my strawberries in there, right? Here. Let's put my little strawberries in there. So that's a basket. That's about a basket of strawberries. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some of my ice. This is just regular ice out of the refrigerator that I got out of the ice tray. I don't have nothing fancy over here. And so, depending on how slushy you want it, I'm going to cover this because I want it to stay warm. It's pretty neat. You put the other, at the end of, at the end of 5 minutes, you put that other pie pan on top, so it doesn't, the crust doesn't burn, and then make sure that it'll cook. And I cooked it for about 40 minutes. So, okay, and then you get the wine. Someone gave me this wine, and he said, that's a good kind. It's Stag's Leap. They went to a winery, Cabernet Sauvignon. Or, yep, it's Cabernet Sauvignon. You just pour some of that in there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is add some honey. Okay, squeeze some honey for your sweetener. Okay, then I have some Grand Marnier. If I can get this open. Uh-oh. Come on, get it open. Okay. Go ahead and, because the little cap kind of fell off of it. By the way, Grand Marnier is great to soak your little raisins when you're doing like special cookies. So, okay. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of that in there. And then I'm going to get some lime. Get some lime here, cut it in half, and then squeeze that lime in there. Okay. And that's going to give it a little bit of that acidity in there. And all you bartenders out there, call this a seasonal wine a seasonal strawberry wine slush. I'm just saying. I think it's good. Okay. That makes sense? How easy to make? Get that? If you want to decorate it with the strawberry. Salud, ching ching. That's good. It's so delicious. If you want to add some orange juice to that, kind of make it into like a little sangria, that's a really good drink. So I wanted to show you that because I'm going to have some quiche with my wine slush that I made. Yeah, there you go. And you know what? That's a perfect brunch right there. If you want to do something really easy, make a nice crust, and I'll upload those videos on my Fun Cooking with Mary YouTube. And as soon as I know how to work this little camera, this new little camera, and then I'll share the recipe on there for you. Okay, I wanted to show you this, and okay, I'm going to enjoy this.